Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the Buff Bay market in Portland. We are actually driving through Mart Bay today, and this is the new Mart Bay sign. Very nicely done, and they fixed up the roundabout. Very nicely done. So as we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what's happening at the market in Buff Bay. Vendors and residents in Buff Bay, Portland now have a modern, fully rebuilt market that has improved facilities, is safer, and offers expanded opportunities for commerce in the town. The upgraded market has 48 stalls for fruits and vegetables, 5 modern butcher stalls, 6 shops for the haberdashery, a new sanitary block, and a water harvesting system capable of storing more than 2,000 gallons for cleaning and maintenance purposes. Speaking at the recent opening, Minister of Local Government and Community Development, Honorable Desmond McKenzie, said the close to $70 million investment has transformed the location into a brand new market built from the ground up. The Constituency Development Fund contributed $5 million towards renovation of the market. The project later expanded to include additional shops for grocery vendors, CCTV cameras, and a prepaid electricity system to prevent illegal connections and improve safety. This will be the first market built by local government that will have CCTV cameras, Minister McKenzie noted. The market is equipped that nobody can run, light, play music without having some level of control, he added. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day.